Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make spinach cream sauce. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including about 10 ounces of fresh spinach and 2 cloves of garlic. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the butter is melted, add your minced garlic and sauté it for about 30 seconds until it becomes wonderfully fragrant, but not browned. This sets the aromatic base for our delicious sauce. Next, add your fresh spinach to the skillet with the garlic. Cook it down, stirring occasionally until it is completely wilted. Then, sprinkle in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, stirring constantly for 1 minute to cook out the raw taste and create a light roux. Slowly whisk in 1½ cups of whole milk, ensuring no lumps, and bring it to a gentle simmer. This forms the creamy base. Once simmering, reduce the heat to low and let the sauce gently cook for about 5 minutes, allowing it to thicken beautifully. This slow simmer helps all the flavors meld together. Now, stir in 1/2 cup of rich heavy cream to achieve that luxurious texture we're aiming for. Finally, season your sauce with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your taste preferences. Your perfect spinach cream sauce is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm as a delightful accompaniment to your favorite dishes, whether it's pasta, roasted chicken, or pan-seared fish. This versatile sauce adds a touch of elegance to any meal. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to the amazing Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.